Hello, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Maria Magdalena Viviares.
How old are you?
34 years old.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Single.
Single mother, right?
Single mother.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids? Okay, how old are they now?
15, and 11, and 6.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
3 weeks.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes. In the Philippines. 2 years.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current previous employer in Hong Kong?
3 weeks.
Where's your employer living in?
Colon City.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,000.
How many family members there?
3,
How many children?
2,
How old are they?
5, and 6.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 5:30 and then preparing the food for the children and then feed them and then cleaning the house,
Okay. How about dinner?
dinner.
What time do you prepare?
4 o'clock,
So what time they eat?
6,
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
10.
Okay, thank you so much.